Hi, I'm Brittany from BigRiverTelephone, and I want to talk to you about our digital faxing solution, Secure vFax. Secure vFax allows you to receive digital faxes safely and securely through a private web portal. Digital delivery for your eyes only. With Secure vFax, your faxes are securely received into a confidential web portal using state-of-the-art encryption to keep your information safe. These faxes are then temporarily stored on your own private web portal, which you can get to anywhere you have an internet connection. The digital fax files are saved as standard PDFs, making for easy storage and printing. You'll also greatly reduce traditional fax material costs like paper and toner while eliminating paper jams and machine maintenance. Now let's take a look at the secure web portal you'll be using. To log into Secure vFax, type securevfax.com into the URL field of your browser, and it will take you directly to the login pop-up screen. Your default login is your Secure vFax number. Each account has a single number for their login and it cannot be changed. However, you can add additional Secure vFax numbers if necessary. The first time you log into your account, you'll be prompted to enter a 4-digit number for the password. This number comes from the last 4 digits of your account number. If your account number is less than 4 digits, you will need to use leading zeros before the number you have. For example, if your account number is simply the number 2, then you would enter 0002. If your account number is 12345, then you would enter numbers 2345. After you first log in, you will be prompted to change your password to a 6-digit minimum alphanumeric password. You'll also be prompted to change your password every 30 days to comply with the HIPAA rules. Changing your password can be done under the Settings tab on the main Secure vFax page, which we'll look at in greater detail later. When dealing with your password, there's something called password lockout. It's when you enter your password in incorrectly 3 times in a row at the login screen, and then you're locked out of your account. And you'll have to contact customer support to get your access restored. So let's log in and see how Secure vFax works. This is the page where you'll interact with the Secure vFaxes that you receive. The top row of tabs will assist you with your account. The row below are descriptions of the columns in your fax queue, and the bottom of the page has your trash options. Now let's take a closer look and see how all of these parts function. The Settings tab allows you to change your password, enter your email address for notifications, and set your time zone. The email address you enter indicates to which account you'll receive Secure vFax notifications. Not the actual faxes themselves, though. If you want to receive digital faxes via email, you'll need our regular vFax service, which has less security protections. And you can change the email address whenever you want. And don't forget to make sure your time zone is set correctly so that the faxes you receive show an accurate time of arrival and other time-related reporting, such as fax expiration date, which we'll cover later. Under the Notifications box, be sure to check any of the options in which you want to receive emails to reflect updates in your account. And don't forget to click Apply Settings so that the changes to your account take effect. The View Current Faxes button will always take you back to the default view of Secure vFax portal where you can access your fax queue. If you click View Current Faxes while in the Settings menu without having applied your settings, the changes to your account will not take place. Now let's take a look at how you interact with your faxes. When viewing the Secure vFax queue, you'll notice the columns which provide descriptions about each fax, some of which allow certain actions to take place. Beginning at the far left, you'll see the option to view the fax in a separate browser window. Just click on the magnifying glass icon for each fax to launch the window. But keep in mind your browser might have pop-up blocking on that might disable this option. But all modern browsers should allow you to adjust pop-up behavior to use this option. Also, all of our digital faxes are delivered as industry-style PDF files. Therefore, you'll need to make sure your browser has a PDF reader plugin installed. Most modern browsers also already include this plugin upon downloading and installation. If the plugin appears missing when trying to view it, you'll need to install the latest Adobe Reader from Adobe's website at www.adobe.com. You'll also need Adobe Reader for the next action, which is the ability to download the digital fax in PDF format to your computer. This can be done from the Save column by clicking the down arrow icon next to your digital fax of choice. You should then see a pop-up window indicating your digital fax is ready for downloading. The following columns give you different information on each fax. The file name column shows you the random alphanumeric number given to each fax. The pages column tells you how many pages are included in your fax. The date indicates when the digital fax landed in your secure vFax queue. Likewise, the time column shows you what time your digital fax arrived. Remember, that is why it's important to have the correct time zone setting in your settings menu. The From column lists the number that was used to send the fax. Then the Expires column tells you when your digital fax is set to expire. To comply with the security and privacy requirements, each fax automatically gets an expiration date of 30 days after arriving in the queue before it is permanently deleted. Also, the faxes in the queue can be sorted based on their characteristics by clicking the description title at the top of the columns. The last column to the far right of the queue shows where you can delete a fax from the current view of active digital faxes. Just click the trash can icon under the Trash column for any fax in the queue. Now, let's see what the options are for those trashed faxes. Notice that when you trash a fax, the trash can icon on the lower right screen will show how many faxes are in the trash. You can click on the trash can on the bottom right of the screen to view all of those trashed faxes. You can tell when you're in the trashed fax view by the heading above, then the color changed to red for the column descriptions. In the trashed fax view, you have much of the same functionality as when you're viewing your current faxes. The main difference is that the trash column changes to a restore title. This allows you to click the plus icon to restore any of your trashed faxes back to the current view queue. Please note that faxes that remain in the trash for 24 hours will be permanently deleted unless you restore them. Restoring a fax will not reset the original expiration date assigned to the fax when it first arrived in the queue. Also, you can empty the trash can at any time by clicking the Empty Trash button next to the trash icon at the bottom. The Help menu is available anytime you need to determine functionality of the Secure vFax portal. At the bottom of the text is some additional support options if you need further help. You can also get to this help document from the login screen. First, you'll notice the button where you can sign out of your account when finished viewing your faxes. This will revert your account back to the login window we encountered at the beginning. The account will also revert to the login window when idle for 10 minutes. And that's Secure vFax, the simple and secure way to receive digital faxes. We really hope you enjoy this product, and don't hesitate to contact customer service or your sales representative if you have any questions or problems using the Secure vFax.